Hello, my name is Ishaan Shrivastava, a student of class 8th in school Birla Vidya Niketan, Post Bihar, New Delhi. I am learning IoT at Robopie and my teacher is Amarpreet sir. I have made this project that is the magnetic and non-magnetic separators. It separates all our material into a magnetic material and non-magnetic material. So it works like I have used this Arduino Uno, two servo motors and one DC motor with gears to make it work. This is how it works. I kept an object. The magnet attracts it because it's a magnetic object and it falls over there. So let's take another example. So this is the waste falls over here. So now we have this plastic gear. So the magnet does not attract it and it goes down and it falls over here into this bin. This is the non-metallic bin. So this can be used further in industries to in higher level waste segregation models and plants to segregate the metallic and non-metallic waste. Thank you.